So my mom bought a bed, so we're gonna make it now. It's so exciting.
I just can't hide it.
You're so excited and you can't hide it. Is that a song? No! Oh no! Not again. Okay, sure. Vlog it. Yeah. Make sure you get everything now. See? He's getting better, seriously. Simon, you need to turn it around to your face, like this. See? I'm vlogging, like this. See? Turn it around. See? And see me. Yeah? Hey. Yeah, I'm Wawa, apparently. Good job. Oh. See? He's vlogging the computer, the old computer. You are getting better. Yeah, this is where the bed is gonna be. He's like, yeah, this is the place, you know. That's the dog, that's our. So I decided I'm gonna GoPro it. That's gonna be cool. Time lapse. Having fun now, aren't ya? Snowing. Snowing. Whoa. Who doesn't love snow? What a good helper. Yeah. Huh? Okay. You're done. Always wants to play. We can't find stuff. We need D and 5 and whatever, but we can't find it, so we're stuck now. Oh yeah, I found it. Looks good. Barely fits in though.
Yeah, got the Tesla.
Look at that Einstein. We're getting somewhere finally. Still a lot of stuff here though. But yeah, you can see the progress. Wheels. Nice.
If it's nice, do it twice. Na 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 na.
That screwdriver barely fits. Look at that. It's funny. Hey, dog. Yep. Looks nice though. Whoop. Oh no. Oh yeah. No. We did it.
Ай, тут гитаранка, да.
Ah, doesn't that look good? Amazing. Really nice. Good job.
Ой, я разбрашиваюсь.
Oh yeah.